Your phone's GPS is accurate to about 3 meters. Without one specific correction, it would drift more than 10 kilometers every single day. That correction comes from Einstein, and it lives quietly in every GPS satellite orbiting Earth right now. Here's the system. 24 GPS satellites circle Earth at 20,000 kilometers altitude. They each carry an atomic clock, accurate to a few nanoseconds per day. Your phone receives their signals, compares timestamps, and uses the differences to compute its position. The whole thing depends on those clocks staying perfectly synchronized. But here's the catch. Special relativity says moving clocks run slower. The satellites scream around Earth at 14,000 miles per hour, so their clocks tick a little slower than ours on the ground. Specifically, about 7 microseconds slower per day. And general relativity adds the opposite effect. Up at 20,000 kilometers altitude, gravity is weaker than at sea level. Less gravity means clocks tick faster. The satellite clocks gain about 45 microseconds per day from this gravitational effect. Net result: subtract 7 from 45. The GPS satellite's clocks run 38 microseconds faster than ours every day. Sounds tiny, but light travels 300 meters in a microsecond. 38 microseconds becomes about 10 kilometers of position error per day. If GPS engineers ignored relativity, your phone would think you'd move 10 kilometers in a day, every day, even sitting still. So they pre-tune the satellite clocks before launch, slowing them down to compensate for the future relativistic gain. The clocks tick perfectly once they're up there. It's all measurable. Atomic clocks are precise enough to confirm Einstein's predictions to better than 1 part in a billion. GPS is, in a sense, the largest ongoing experiment in relativity, running continuously since the 80s, millions of measurements per second. It works because Einstein was right. GPS now powers navigation, agriculture, mining surveys, ride-sharing, financial timing, military targeting, fitness trackers, geocaching, weather buoys, and the time signals every cell tower needs. All of it relies on satellites tuned for relativity. Einstein is quite literally in your pocket. Without Einstein, no GPS, no turn-by-turn navigation, no on-time stock trades, no self-driving cars. The most abstract physics theory of the 20th century, hidden inside a chip in your phone, keeping you from getting lost. If this broke your brain, hit like and subscribe. New engineering deep dives every week.